All right, peeking ahead. Our test is next block day, Wednesday, Thursday. Get you a late arrival next week. Switch these 2 days, today and tomorrow, so that we get everything in before the seniors take off for their extended super long weekend of fun activities. And so you can see it on the whiteboard. I should put it on here so everyone can see it. Word problems is Thursday and Friday, and it's worksheet number 5, I believe. No, today's worksheet. Nope, worksheet 5. So we'll spend 2 days on worksheet 5. So I'm just going to call it the odd day and the even day. How you break it up is kind of up to you. You guys at home, do however you want to spend your time on that. Seniors, you guys, you're still responsible for it because those aren't official off days. So you need to take care of that. I'll have answers posted. And then Monday and Tuesday, they're both review days. And I would just say the same thing. Say that Monday is your day to do the odds. Tuesday is your day to do the evens. And then we'll test on the next day. Again, if you've got stuff going on this weekend because you're a senior or because you're virtual or because any other reason, you already know how to do all of those days. So you can start planning now of, hey, I want to do it all tonight and not have any pre-cal homework for an entire week. That's probably not many of you, but you could take that approach. I would not recommend saving it all for the night of the 20th, but it's kind of your job to space it out and plan it out to wherever it works best for you. All right, a warm-up today, but this warm-up is, listen to the directions carefully, I guess is what I would say. There's 3 triangles, but the question is not solve the triangle. The question is, which law would you use? So it's just about recognizing law of sines. Excuse me. Thank you. It's just about recognizing whether you would use law of sines or law of cosines. So you don't have to solve for anything. You don't even have to write them down. If you can just look at them and see which one it would be, then you can just say law of sines or law of cosines. So it shouldn't take too long because there's not... There we go. Again, don't solve for everything. That takes a little while. It's more about just recognizing how you would start the problem. So do those 3 real quick and then we'll go over them. So again, first one would be law of sines because you have an angle side pair to start with. Number 2, you don't have any angle side pairs to start with. So it's law of cosines. It's not law of sines. And number 3, it looks like you don't have an angle side pair, but you have 2 of the 3 angles, so you can find the third one, and then you have an angle side pair. To me, that's the easiest way to go is, do you have an angle side pair? Yes, use law of sines. No, sorry, use law of cosines. But a few of you mentioned that the letters work as well. Oops, that would be angle, side. And this one was angle, side, angle. But I don't think most people do it that way. They just look for an angle side pair. If you got one, great. If not, no big deal. You're using law of cosines.